Hello, my name is Dan McLaughlin. I am the National Account Manager for Petroleum Containment Incorporated. We are the leader in the secondary containment fiberglass industry. PCI manufactures a full line of repair products. The SRB Series split repair with band clamps are the most affordable, cost-effective fiberglass repair fittings in the industry. Their simple design makes repairs straightforward and allows for field modification. This UL-listed product will withstand long-term exposures to all fuels, including ethanols.
This design features a band clamp retention ring lip that helps make installations easier and allows for up to 20 degrees of pipe misalignment.
The SRB Series repair fittings can be used on both plastic and fiberglass sumps and are available for flat or round walls. It comes in many sizes and works with most types of pipes. When used with our STF Series testable repair boots, a damaged penetration fitting can be replaced while retaining the ability to test secondary piping. Thank you for taking the time to look at PCI, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your PEI virtual convention and expo.